Hey everyone, welcome back to the English Duo podcast. Wait, before you even blink, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications because we bring you real English conversations every week. Conversations that feel natural, not like boring textbook robots.
Yeah, no robot voices here. If we ever sound robotic, please send us coffee immediately.
Yes, please. We run on coffee and kindness. Anyway, today we have a super useful topic. Something you use every single day.
Transportation. How to talk about transportation in simple, easy English. Buses, cars, trains, walking, biking, all the good stuff.
And today's conversation will be slow, friendly, and full of real-life stories. So relax, sit back, maybe grab a drink, and enjoy learning like you're right here with us.
You ready, Sarah?
Let's go! All right, if you're new here, hi, my name is Sarah. I live in the United States in a small but very cute town near Seattle. I teach English, I love rainy weather, and I walk everywhere, like everywhere. If walking was an Olympic sport, I would win a silver medal at least.
Why not gold?
Because there's always someone faster than me at the grocery store, I swear.
Fair enough. And hey, everyone, I'm Daniel. I'm from Chicago, which means two things. One, I drink too much coffee. Two, I complain about traffic at least twice a day.
True, very true.
But I'm friendly and I love helping you learn English in a real, fun way. Today, we're talking about something we experience every single day. Transportation.
Yes, cars, buses, trains, taxis, Uber, bikes, even walking and running.
Running?
I mean, maybe when I'm late.
Oh, yeah, same. So, Sarah, how did you come here today?
Me? I walked, like always. I enjoy walking. It clears my mind, you know?
That's honestly so nice. For me, it was different. I sat in traffic for 30 minutes. To move maybe half a mile?
Oh no!
Yes, I could have crawled faster.
I always tell you, just walk.
Walk? Sarah, I live too far away. I would arrive here next Tuesday.
All right, let's slowly move into today's topic, how to talk about transportation in English. We're going to talk about the phrases we use every day, and we're going to tell you stories, fun stories, so you can remember the words easily.
So let's start simple, really simple.
The first question people ask is, how do you get to work? Or how do you get to school?
Yes, and the answers are easy. Listen carefully. I walk. I drive. I take the bus. I take the train. I ride a bike. I take a taxi. I take an Uber.
Super easy, short, clear.
Okay, let me ask you, Sarah, how do you get to the grocery store?
I walk. It's only 10 minutes. And sometimes I run if they have a big sale on chocolate.
Honest.
Always. Okay, let me tell you a real story about transportation. a true story.
Oh, I love story time.
So, when I first moved to Seattle, I didn't have a car. I took the bus everywhere. And one day I took the wrong bus. Not just a little wrong, like very wrong.
How wrong?
I ended up in a place I had never seen. A forest. A literal forest.
You took the Narnia bus.
Yes, basically. I got off and a squirrel looked at me like, "Ma'am, are you lost?" I had to take the bus back. It took forever. But now I double check every bus number.
Lesson of the day: know your bus number. Okay, everyone, here are some simple bus phrases. Where is the bus stop? Which bus goes to downtown? How much is the bus fare? Do I need a ticket? When is the next bus?
All super easy.
Yes, and very useful when you travel.
All right, let's move to trains.
I love trains. They're quiet, smooth, and fast.
You know what I love? Watching people sleep on trains.
Same. Their heads fall to the side
Or forward.
or backward like they're screaming silently.
Here are simple phrases you can use for trains. What time does the train arrive? What time does the train leave? Where's the train station? How long is the trip? Is this the right platform?
Easy. Perfect for beginners. Okay, my turn for a transportation story. So, I was in New York City last summer, and the subway there is chaos.
Oh, yes.
So, I was standing near the subway map, and this man comes up to me fast, like he was in a movie, and he goes, "Hey, is this the train to Brooklyn?"
And you said,
I said, "Sir, I don't even know where I am." We both laughed, and then we both got on the wrong train together.
Together. That's cute.
New York friendship moment?
Transportation brings people together.
Or takes them to the wrong place together?
All right, cars. Most people know someone who drives.
Or someone who drives badly.
Daniel!
Don't look at me. I drive very creative.
Creative.
Yes, my right turn is a little artistic.
Shaking head.
Look, no accidents so far, okay?
Here are simple car phrases you should know. I drive a car. I don't have a car. I need gas. There is traffic. I am stuck in traffic. I am looking for parking.
The parking one, yeah, my life.
Now let's talk about bikes.
Do you bike, Sarah?
Yes, I bike a lot in the summer.
Wow.
But I fall sometimes.
Of course you do.
I fell once because a squirrel scared me.
You and squirrels have a long history.
Yes, maybe we were enemies in a past life. Here are beginner bike phrases. I ride a bike to work. I need a helmet. Where is the bike lane? Can I rent a bike? My bike is broken.
Useful and simple.
Let's talk about walking, my favorite.
Walking is simple, free, healthy.
And slow, peaceful.
Unless you're late.
Then it becomes running.
Or sprinting.
Or panic jogging. Here are basic walking phrases. I walk to work. I walk every morning. It's a short walk. It's a long walk. I get tired when I walk too far.
Simple and perfect.
Okay, taxis and Uber.
I love Uber because I don't have to talk.
Same.
But sometimes the driver wants to talk.
Yes, and then you must talk.
You smile like, yes, sir, the weather is very weather. Here are simple phrases. Can you call me a taxi? I need a ride. I want to go to the airport. How long will it take? Can you drive faster? Can you stop here?
Easy, clear. Here are nice, simple questions to ask someone. How do you go to work? Do you drive? Do you like taking the bus? Is the train fast? How long is your trip? Is there traffic today?
You can use these every day.
Okay, I have another story. A sad one.
Oh no.
One day, I ran to catch the bus. I mean, really ran. Like a movie scene. My hair was flying, my bag was bouncing,
I can picture it.
and the bus driver saw me. He looked at me, we made eye contact,
Good.
and then he drove away.
No.
Yes! He left me.
That is emotional damage.
Yes! I had to wait 30 minutes for the next bus.
That's the worst.
But now I arrive early. Very early. Like a grandmother.
My turn for a painful story.
Let's hear it.
When I was learning to drive, my instructor told me to turn right,
Okay.
but I turned left.
Oh no.
And he screamed, "No, the other right." Until today, sometimes I still think, is this the right or the left right?
Transportation is something we all experience every day. And learning to talk about it in English is very simple and very useful.
It's also a great way to start conversations. How do you go to work is friendly.
And easy for beginners.
And people love talking about traffic. It's human nature.
So the big message today is use simple sentences. Don't stress. Don't try to be perfect. Just talk. Just practice.
Exactly. English becomes easier when you speak about normal, everyday things, like transportation.
We hope you felt like you were sitting in the room with us, learning naturally and having fun.
And if you enjoyed this conversation,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
we'll see you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.